All right, guys, welcome to week two. I'm in the process currently of looking through week one's lessons. The one thing I do want to mention is about the depth and length and the quality of your student responses to other peers. Make sure you're really adding depth and not just agreeing. It's okay to disagree. Uh, Everything in life is not going to be agreeable, but when you disagree, you need to be able to back it up and support your opinion and do that in a professional manner. Um, so, what I'm seeing is just a lot of people saying, I agree, I like it, and that's it. They will not get full points as per the discussion board rubrics. So, again, make sure you're putting some thought and driving that. We are not having a face-to-face discussion in those discussion boards. So you have to be able to express what you want to say through writing. All right. So make sure that we do a better job on that this lesson. And I did post some exemplars for you to look at if you're unsure as to what is expected. This week we're going to be doing an interview. You're going to interview three different people in three different life stages. Maybe your brother or sister in college, a parent, and then a grandparent would be ideal. That way you can see how activity changes and types of fitness change throughout a lifetime. And then you're going to analyze those differences between their interviews, and you're going to create a product summarizing the commonalities and differences of their barriers or successes. Okay, so you can see the requirements there. I'm not going to read them for you. You can read them, but you're going to evaluate the factors that affect the activities and exercise preferences of people during their adult years. The project will involve two components. You will need to conduct an interview and create a summary that analyzes the results using a Web 2.0 tool. Okay, so you can see there you're going to choose three adults. You're going to simply ask every person that you interview these questions. Okay, and then you can kind of just compile them, and after completing them, you're going to create a review using a web tool you're comfortable with, such as Prezi, Adobe Spark, MindMeister, or Bubble. If you don't know what they are hyperlinked there. They're easy to use tutorials, and you're going to put that on there. And then once you have that, you're going to talk through the product using a screen recorder, kind of like what I'm doing right now, using a screen sharing app such as TouchCast or Screencast-O-Matic. Again, they are hyperlinked. Walk us through your product review. We should hear you talking over your review. Whatever you choose, make sure that you can share it in the discussion post. Right? And then you're just going to compare and contrast the various responses. And then, as always, respond to two peers in the discussion. Make sure you are driving the conversation, depthening the conversation, and bringing in outside resources to support your statements. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to stop down and see me. But continue to work hard and keep on grinding.